Today we're tackling a big question. How do you start building food storage when money is tight? Many feel overwhelmed seeing huge pantries online, but preparedness is for everyone, no matter your budget. It's not about filling a basement overnight. It's about making smart choices one item at a time. We'll focus on 5 affordable, healthy foods you can stock up on, even with just $1 or $2. If things are really tough, remember, local food pantries are there to help. No shame in that. Let's dive in and see how you can start building security today. First up, the undisputed king of budget-friendly staples, white rice. A cornerstone of cuisines around the globe, it's a grain that has nourished generations. It's cheap, filling, and a 20-pound bag can stretch into dozens upon dozens of meals. Think of the possibilities. Properly stored, white rice boasts an incredible shelf life, lasting up to 30 years or even longer. That's true food security. The key is simple, just keep it dry and sealed away from pests. Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers are a fantastic option for long-term storage, creating an ideal environment, but even a simple sealed food-grade bucket will work wonders to keep your rice safe and sound. Rice is incredibly versatile, a culinary chameleon that can transform to suit any dish. Use it to bulk up soups, adding substance and heartiness, make comforting casseroles, perfect for a family meal, create quick and easy stir-fries, packed with flavor and nutrients, or even grind it into flour for gluten-free baking adventures. Got leftover rice? Don't throw it away. Turn it into a delicious rice pudding, or a creamy breakfast porridge to start your day off right. It's a blank canvas. Savory or sweet, it adapts to whatever flavors and ingredients you have on hand. Use it to stretch pricier ingredients like meat or beans in hearty burritos, flavorful tacos, and satisfying stuffed peppers. For those watching their carbohydrate intake, consider practicing portion control to enjoy rice in moderation, or swap white rice for brown rice, which offers more fiber and nutrients, though keep in mind that it doesn't last quite as long in storage. For most families, white rice is an absolute pantry must-have, cheap, incredibly long-lasting, and endlessly adaptable to a wide range of culinary creations. So when you see a sale on rice, don't hesitate. Grab a bag or two. It's food security in its simplest, most accessible form, ensuring you always have a reliable staple on hand. Rice means you always have a meal base ready to go, no matter what other ingredients you have available. It's peace of mind in a bag, knowing you can always put a meal on the table. You can even get creative in the kitchen, experiment with different flavors and textures. Why not try making your own rice cakes or crispy rice crackers for a healthy snack? The possibilities are truly endless with just a little bit of imagination and a bag of rice. So next time you're at the grocery store browsing the aisles, see that big bag of rice not just as a commodity, but as a solid foundation for your family's long-term food security and well-being. Don't underestimate the power of this humble grain. It's more valuable than you might think. It's the cornerstone of a resilient and well-prepared pantry, ready to face any challenge. Stock up on rice whenever you have the opportunity. You'll be grateful you did. It's one of the smartest, most affordable, and most impactful steps you can take to ensure your family's food security. Rice is undoubtedly your pantry's best friend, always there when you need it. Now, let's move on to its perfect partner in pantry preparedness: beans. Next, let's dive into the world of dried beans and lentils. These humble ingredients are nutritional powerhouses, often overlooked but incredibly valuable for both your health and your wallet. They are the undisputed queens of budget protein. Packed with essential amino acids, they offer a complete and satisfying source of protein, rivaling even meat in their nutritional profile. Paired with rice, they form a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. This dynamic duo is a staple in many cultures for a reason. Together, they create a nourishing and affordable meal that can sustain you for hours. It's a simple yet powerful combination. A 1-pound bag costs just over $1, making it an incredibly economical choice for feeding yourself or your family. And that single bag feeds a crowd, stretching your dollar even further. Think about the possibilities. Beans are a fraction of the price of meat, offering a significant cost savings without sacrificing essential nutrients. And they last for years if stored dry and sealed, making them an ideal choice for long-term food storage and emergency preparedness. Stock a variety to keep your meals interesting and diverse. Black beans, perfect for southwestern dishes and hearty soups. Kidney beans, essential for chili and flavorful stews. Chickpeas, the star of hummus and a great addition to salads. Lentils, quick cooking and versatile for soups, stews, and salads. Each brings new flavors and uses to your kitchen, expanding your culinary horizons. Don't worry about prep, soaking is easy, and it helps to reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. And quick soak methods save even more time, making beans a convenient option even on busy weeknights. Just boil them for a few minutes, then let them sit for an hour before cooking. Beans and lentils are packed with fiber, which is essential for digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This high fiber content keeps you full and satisfied, preventing overeating and promoting weight management. Start small if you're new to beans, gradually increasing your intake to allow your digestive system to adjust. Your body will adjust, and you'll soon be enjoying all the benefits that beans and lentils have to offer. Think chili, a hearty and flavorful dish that's perfect for a cold evening. Black bean burgers, a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional meat burgers. Homemade refried beans, a versatile side dish that can be used in tacos, burritos, or as a dip. Or lentil soup, a comforting and nutritious meal that's easy to make and packed with flavor. You can even sprout some for fresh greens, adding a burst of freshness and nutrients to your meals. It requires just a jar, water, and a few days, making it a simple and rewarding project. Sprouting adds nutrients and variety, enhancing the nutritional value of your beans and lentils. It's especially beneficial when fresh produce is scarce, providing a homegrown source of vitamins and minerals during the colder months. For just a few dollars, you add protein, fiber, and endless meal options to your pantry, creating a foundation for healthy and affordable eating. Beans and lentils are a foundational step for robust, affordable food storage, providing a reliable source of nutrition in times of need. They're easy to store, easy to use, and incredibly filling, making them a practical and valuable addition to any pantry. Don't overlook their value. Every pantry needs them, ready to be transformed into delicious and nutritious meals. They stretch your meals and your budget, allowing you to eat well without breaking the bank. Pick up a few bags next time you shop. You'll be glad you did, as you discover the endless possibilities that beans and lentils offer. Beans and lentils are true pantry powerhouses. They're the backbone of countless meals, providing a versatile and affordable source of nutrition. Stock up and enjoy the security they bring, knowing you have a reliable source of protein and fiber readily available. Let's talk about another versatile staple, a breakfast champion and baking essential. Oats are up next. Oats, rolled, quick, or steel cut, are a pantry hero. They're cheap, filling, and go way beyond breakfast. A big canister lasts for months and costs little. Oatmeal is a classic, but oats can do so much more. Use them as a binder in meatloaf or meatballs, or grind into flour for baking. Oat flour is perfect for muffins, pancakes, and gluten-free needs. Try savory oats. Cook with broth, add cheese or veggies for a quick, hearty meal. Make homemade granola or no-bake energy balls. Just oats, peanut butter, and a sweetener. Oats are great for snacks, thickening soups, or as a base for baked goods. Stored airtight, they last for years and are easy to rotate. Nutritionally, oats are loaded with fiber and important minerals. They help lower cholesterol and keep you full. Don't just think of oats as breakfast. See them as a multi-purpose staple. They're affordable, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. Add a canister to your cart every trip. Oats are a must for any budget pantry. They stretch meals and dollars. Stock up and get creative. Next, let's talk about a comfort food that packs a punch. Peanut butter, or any nut or seed butter. It's a staple in many households, and for good reason. Is a comfort food and a prepper's dream. It evokes feelings of nostalgia and security, reminding us of simpler times. It's calorie-dense, protein-rich, and requires zero cooking. A true trifecta for emergency preparedness and everyday convenience. Just 2 tablespoons pack nearly 200 calories, making it an efficient way to fuel your body. Perfect for energy in tough times. When resources are scarce, every calorie counts. If the power's out or you're exhausted, peanut butter is an instant meal. No preparation needed, just open the jar and enjoy. It's satisfying, familiar, and most kids love it. A surefire way to bring a smile to their faces, even during challenging circumstances. Spread it on bread for a classic and comforting sandwich. Stir into oatmeal, adding richness and staying power to your breakfast. Blend into smoothies for a creamy and protein-packed boost. Or make a quick peanut sauce for noodles, a versatile and flavorful addition to any meal. It's also the binder for those no-bake energy balls with oats, a perfect snack for sustained energy. Eat it straight off a spoon when you need a quick and satisfying treat, or with fruit and crackers for a quick snack. A balanced and delicious way to curb your hunger. Morale matters. Peanut butter is comfort in a jar. A little taste of normalcy can go a long way in stressful situations. Look for simple ingredients, just peanuts and salt if possible. The fewer additives, the better for your health. Natural styles are healthier, but any kind will do in a pinch. Don't let perfect be the enemy of good when it comes to preparedness. Unopened, it lasts a year or more. Stock up when it's on sale. Take advantage of discounts to build your stockpile. Allergic to peanuts? Try sunflower seed butter, a great alternative with a similar texture and nutritional profile. Almond butter, another delicious and nutritious option. Or cashew butter, for a sweeter and milder flavor. The key is having a ready-to-eat, calorie-rich food on hand. Something you can grab and eat without any fuss. It's your safety net for stressful days or emergencies. A reliable source of sustenance when you need it most. Grab a few jars when you see a deal. Tuck them away. They're practical and a pleasure to have. You'll thank yourself later. Peanut butter is a pantry essential for energy, comfort, and convenience. A versatile ingredient that can be used in countless ways. It's affordable, shelf-stable, and always ready. A budget-friendly option that won't spoil easily. Don't skip this one. It's a lifesaver in more ways than one. From quick snacks to emergency rations, peanut butter has you covered. Next, let's add some color and nutrition to your pantry. Canned vegetables and tomatoes are up. Let's see why they matter. Last but not least, canned vegetables, and especially canned tomatoes. They don't last decades, but they're shelf-stable for years and add vital nutrients and variety. Plain rice and beans get old fast. Canned veggies bring color, flavor, and nutrition. A can of corn, green beans, or carrots livens up any meal. Canned tomatoes are the base for chili, pasta sauce, soups, and stews. They add acidity, flavor, and richness to simple dishes. Canned veggies are affordable, especially on sale. Stock up when you can. Mix and match for endless meal options. Spanish rice, veggie soup, or a quick side dish. Food fatigue is real. Variety keeps meals enjoyable and morale high. Choose low sodium if possible, but any version works. Rinse if needed. Don't forget canned fruit for a treat and vitamin C boost. Every grocery trip, grab an extra can or two. Soon you'll have a colorful, nutritious pantry ready for anything. Canned veggies turn basic staples into real meals. They're a simple, powerful addition to your food storage. Don't overlook their value. They make all the difference in long-term meal planning. Let's wrap up with your first steps. There you have it. 5 affordable, versatile foods to start your food storage journey. Rice, beans, oats, peanut butter, and canned veggies are the building blocks for countless meals. Add 1 or 2 items each shopping trip and watch your pantry grow. These aren't just emergency foods, they stretch your budget every week. If you need help, reach out to your local food pantry. Community support is there for you. Thanks for joining me today. Stay safe and keep building your pantry one step at a time. You've got this.